Hey, Travis here, Steven's Truck Power. If you've seen our little short about truck overheating, this is what we're doing right now. This time of year, you'll run into this with your semi-truck. It'll start heating or running just a little bit warm. And what we found is that you really need to blow these radiators and air-to-airs out. A lot of people just use compressed air. It doesn't work. We've tried it. The best thing we found is you just take the time to tear it apart. You can leave the radiator in like we've done here, and then you can blow through that, and then got the air-to-air over here. We blow through that separate, and the AC condenser works like a champ. We do this all the time, and your truck will, depending upon what you're running in, will probably need this, if not every year, every other year. It's just a good maintenance thing, because the last thing you want is your truck running hot. All kinds of problems that way. So keep it running good, keep things cleaned out. If you're in the dirt more, you're obviously going to have more of a problem. But we see highway trucks come in that say that they think their radiator's clean, and you look at it and it looks clean, but when you start blowing through it with a pressure washer, it's amazing what comes out of them. So that's what we're going to do today, is do that. So we're going to blow through this. We've got the AC condenser just kind of leaned up here carefully. We'll blow through that also, but we tear it clear down so that we can get the dirt out good, because even with the pressure washer, you can't blow through the AC condenser, the air-to-air, and the radiator and make it all happen. So do it a piece at a time, do it right, and everything will work properly. So we'll get going here. I don't know if you can see that with the camera, but that's dirty water. I'll come and film right over here. Hold that up and see if we can. We'll try and show you here if you can see some dirt coming out of it or not. Then we'll just turn it over, do the other side, blow through it a couple times. I don't know how easy that is to see with the camera. It doesn't look bad, but you can see the water as it comes out that it's black. It's not clean like it's going in. Just the bugs alone, I mean, that are coming out of that. We're going to steam through this a few times, and then we'll show you the radiator. Okay, we're back. We've got the air-to-air done. Got Tyson up in here. Say hi, Tyson. Okay, we're steaming this radiator out. I mean, you just go nice and easy. You know, you don't want to bend the fins over, but just back and forth. You might want to, you know, take 3 or 4 passes depending on what you're getting out of it. But anyway, you can kind of see it coming through here, and every once in a while there'll be a pocket of dirt and crud. This is just a really good maintenance thing to do. Obviously, if you're having a major heating problem, you know, this isn't going to fix it. You're going to need a thermostat or a water pump or something. And it's not a cure-all, but your truck's running about 10 degrees hotter than it ought to, this is probably your problem. Now it's hard with the camera, but that's brown. So we're getting a fair amount of dirt out of that. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So we're going to blow these out and then get her all back together, and this should be good to go. Little time consuming, but if you don't want to fight a heating problem forever and ever, this is what you got to do. Otherwise, you're a full summer of, fighting an issue, stopping on the hills because it's just a little too hot. So good thing to do, like I said, every year, every other year for sure. Keep everything running good. Thanks for watching.